Hey, hello guys. Today's lecture is on the modulus function. I just came to know that most of the students stuck in the modulus function. So, guys, let us understand it. What is a modulus function? What is a modulus function? Now, guys, how we define it? Suppose if I am writing fx is mod x, it is defined as it is x if x is positive minus x if x is negative and 0 when x equal to 0. Uh, this is the definition, but try to understand it. What exactly this definition conclude? See, when x is positive, here x is positive, so you are writing the same number back. Now when x is negative, now see from this line, x is negative, but what will happen if you multiply both side by minus? Then minus x will be positive. It means this is a positive, this is positive. So both things are positive. Now its value is 0 when it is 0. I'm giving you one example. Suppose you are finding modulus of minus 2. First you will notice the sign of minus 2. What is that? It is negative. So how you have to answer it? Put minus of minus 2. You are getting 2. Interesting. Now see, if you see this entire definition, how this modulus function behave. This mod x is 0 when x is 0. Now, what exactly definition conclude? It is 0 at 0, but on the left side of the 0 it takes minus x. On the right side of the 0 it takes x. Now, it is a non-negative thing. See, it is a non-negative function. How? Here numbers are negative, minus 2, minus 3. So you have to switch over these numbers to over here. So you will get output 1. Corresponding to minus 2, you will get 2. So that is why mod of minus 1 is 1. Mod of minus 2 is 2. I hope this definition is clear. Now what is the geometrical interpretation? Geometrical meaning. Try to understand the geometrical meaning. Suppose if I am writing mod x is nothing but it measures the distance of x from origin. Now see, you all know that distance is a non-negative quantity. Distance is a non-negative quantity. Non-negative quantity. See, if I draw the number line which extend in both the direction, minus infinity to plus infinity. Here is 0, here is 1, here is 2, here is 3, like this. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Suppose I am finding modulus of minus 3. So what I will do? I will mark this number on the number line like this. I will start measuring the distance. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. Now see how much distance is from the origin. That is 3 unit. Similarly, suppose you are marking mod of 2. Now what you will measure? 1 unit, 2 unit. That's it. In this way it behaves. Now based on this, we have some inequalities. Modulus inequalities. See guys, suppose if I am writing mod x is less than or equals to a. Rather solving this, first understand it. Suppose if I ask you if x is a real number and mod x is less than or equals to 2, then shade the region. Shade the region. Now we'll come back to our definition again, that is geometrical distance, that is it measures the distance of x from origin. Now see, so what I need to do here, I plot the number line here like this, minus infinity plus infinity. Here is 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Now what we need to have, we need that distance has to be 2 or less than 2. So we mark the point here. Now if we move towards the origin, and we have to measure the distance from where? Origin. So this region will be shaded automatically. Similarly, from the left side also, like this. So what it indicate? It will automatically imply that your x will lies between minus 2 and 2. And also we can write this as x belongs to close interval minus 2 and 2. So very easy to conclude. So from here we can write like this. I hope this part is clear. It has to be crystal clear. Now, instead of that, if we have mod x is greater than a. Now, if in the same problem, rather than asking this, if I would have been asked that mod x is more than 2, now what will happen? I need to have the distance which has to be, I should say, more than 2. So this 2 should not be there. This part will be there, and this part excluding 2. I'm marking excluding 2. I'm excluding 2 here. So what is that reason? So can I conclude that either x is more than 2 or x is less than minus 2? Now what is that? I can also say that my x belongs to open interval minus infinity minus 2 union 2 to infinity. So the same way we can conclude here also. So we can say that, and that x is either more than a or x is less than minus a, or else we can say that my x belongs to minus infinity to minus a union a to infinity. Now guys, if it is less than equal to, so then this bracket has to be close one. So I should write this way, greater than or equal to a or x less than equals to minus a, and then it will become x belongs to minus infinity minus a union a to infinity. So it looks so simple, it's not so difficult at all. Now then somebody suppose ask me, sir, what will happen if the things like this, mod x minus a is say less than or equals to b. If somebody says solve this, guys, it is a simple problem. So how we can solve it? I'm just changing the name. Let x minus a is my y. So the question shifted to mod y less than equals to b. What is the meaning of that? Its meaning is that y lies between minus b and b. Now, since the symbol y being introduced by us, so our original answer has to be in x. So what is x here? What is the meaning of y here? X minus a. So now adding both side a in the all the inequality, I'm adding a. So what I'm getting, that is a minus b less than equals to a plus b. Now it means my x belongs to this interval. See guys, I think you should be happy in that. Suppose consequency of this result, somebody asks you, solve modulus of 3x minus 2 is less than equals to half. I can use this result directly here. Now my 3x. Now first identify what is a and b. My a is 2 and b is half. And please, the role of x is being replaced by 3x. So what I will write, my 3x will be greater than or equals to a minus b. What is a minus b? 2 minus half, and less than equal to 2 plus half. And I think it is 3 by 2, and it is 5 by 2. Now what I will do, dividing whole of the inequality by 3. Since it is a positive number, so no sign change will take place. It is 5 by 6. This will imply our x belongs to the closed interval 1 by 2 comma 5 by 6. Now look at this, guys. It's very simple process that I am discussing. Modulus is a very interesting function. First, I'm just dealing with the inequalities part. So suppose somebody asks you that solve modulus of x minus 2 greater than or equals to 5. I don't want to trust that you should remember all the results. Apply key fundamentals. Again, I'm changing the name. Let x minus 2 is equal to some y. So mod of y greater than equals to 5. Again, if you want to use number line concept, you can use it. Look at this. So here is 5 and here is minus 5. What we need to have, the distance from the origin has to be 5 or more than 5. So which region you are going to shade? You are going to shade this region including 5 and this region including minus 5. This dark circle means we are including the point. So where is y lies? That is, y is either greater than or equal to 5 or, now what is the meaning of y? That is x minus 2, or like this. Now can we say that x greater than or equal to 7 or x less than or equals to minus 3? If we club it, then what will happen? X will belongs to minus infinity to minus 3 close bracket union 7 to infinity. It looks very easy if you apply this definition. It's not so tricky, because if you want solve this, it is very easy way to solve it. Now somebody asked me that, sir, can you solve this? That this one. See, it has a both way around. Again, I'm changing the symbol. Let x minus 2 is equal to some y. So my question will become this way. Can I write this as that my mod y is less than or equal to 3 and mod y greater than or equals to 1? What is the meaning of this? That is, your y lies between where to where? Minus 3 to 3. What is the meaning of y? X minus 2. Now adding 2. So what I will get? That is, my x is greater than or equals to minus 1 and less than or equals to 5. Okay. I think it's looks simple. Now try to understand it. How we'll simplify it further. Now, what is the meaning of this? Either my y is greater than or equals to 1 or y is less than or equals to minus 1. Now what is y? Y is x minus 2, that is x is greater than or equal to 3, or from here x is, what I will do, less than or equals to 1. Now my final answer will be the common part of these two things, this one and this one. Now let us plot. Now look at this. What is my final answer? That is intersection of these things. Try to understand it. We have to find the intersection part. Let us find it. Here is 0 and here is minus 1, and then I should write here is 3 and here is 5. First let us shade this part. Look at this. And now I will try to shade this part with different color. X greater than or equal to 3. This part will be automatically shaded. Now you have to observe where is the color changing. There is one more point that is there, that is 1. Here is 1, and if I shade this particular part, now you have to observe the common part, guys. You have to observe the common part. Now what is the common part? Common part is this one and this one. So what is my final answer is closed interval minus 1 and 1 union 3 to 5. This is the final answer. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. In the next lecture I will be doing the graphical part of this modulus function and some more inequalities on this. If you like my channel, so please do subscribe and keep supporting. I will be keep uploading the basic fundamentals and the foundation part of the mathematics and some advanced skills as well. If you want to enjoy mathematics, so please do subscribe my channel. Okay guys, bye, take care.